Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. Next, because this is about ds, that means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we have y squared. This one we don't have y, so you got number 0. So first the derivative of y squared we have 2y, and that is about 12xy. The next one we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So we just have only s squared. This one we don't have s, so you got number 0. And now we have like this. And we have 12xy. And we can see that this one and this one, they are the same. So that is about exact. So we need to set up about the function fxy equals to the integration. So I will select about this one plus 3xy. So the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. This one, that is about s squared over number 2. So number 3 divided by number 3. Number 6 divided by number 2, we have number 3. So later that we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. That means we need to do first the derivative of this one with respect to y. So this one we don't have y, so you got number 0. This one we have y squared, we have 2y. This one we have d over dy, 3xy. So number 3 and number 2, we have number 6. Next, we know that this one equals to this one. Now we simplify this one and this one for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we need to do the integration for the both sides. And now we have like this. So number 4 divided by number 4, that is about number 1. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. So the integration of this one, we have 3xy equals to this one. And we know that this one equals to fxy. Fxy equal to c. And now we can simplify like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.